There comes a time in every man's life where the soft way just doesn't cut it anymore. He wakes up tired. His eyes look empty in the mirror. He chases temporary highs but feels permanently low. He knows deep down something vital is missing. That something is control. And not just control of time, money, or women. No, deeper than that. I'm talking about control of his seed, his life force, his primal fire. You're not here by accident. You've heard the whisper before, that voice telling you to stop wasting your energy on pixels, empty pleasure, or soul-draining habits. You want to walk the warrior's path. You want to become ruthless, disciplined, unbreakable. And it all starts with one mission, making it past 90 days of semen retention. But let's not sugarcoat this. Most men will fail. They'll fall back into temptation within days, sometimes even hours. And it's not because they're weak. It's because they don't have a code. They don't live by anything. They've forgotten what it means to be a man of honor. That's why the motto of this journey is non-negotiable. Live with honor or die a coward. This isn't just a quote. It's your shield, your sword, and your war cry. And in video, I'll show you how to live it daily, step by step, so you can dominate this challenge and become the man God designed you to be. Let's get real. Most men today are under attack. And I don't mean guns or knives. I mean invisible warfare. Every scroll, every screen, every social media algorithm is engineered to hijack your attention and suck your energy out through your lower nature. You're constantly being fed images designed to spike your dopamine and flood your brain with urges that aren't even yours. The world wants you enslaved to your lust. The system thrives when you're distracted, drained, and defeated. Porn addiction isn't just a bad habit. It's spiritual suicide. Every time you release without a purpose, without love, or without divine connection, you lose a piece of your soul. You leak ambition. You leak courage. You leak your masculine edge. That's why you can't focus, why your voice is weak, why your handshake is limp, why your goals feel out of reach. This is the uncomfortable truth that society will never tell you. But this is why semen retention exists. Not as a weird internet trend, but as an ancient warrior's practice to reclaim his throne. And here's the hardest part. Your mind will trick you. It will rationalize relapsing. It will whisper things like, it's natural, just one time, you've made it far enough. But all these voices come from the coward within, that part of you that wants to stay comfortable. But comfort kills warriors. And if you want to make it past 90 days, you must kill the coward before it kills your destiny. So now let's talk solution. Let's break down how to actually make it. Not just a few days, not just a lucky streak, but a full 90-day transformation that forges you into steel. Understand this. Semen retention is not just about avoiding release. It's about building a fortress around your energy. It's about turning lust into leadership, temptation into triumph, pleasure into purpose. And to do that, you need a system. You need daily rituals, spiritual tools, and a warrior mindset. Here's how. First, let's start with your morning routine. You must dominate your morning before the world gets a chance to dominate you. No more waking up and grabbing your phone. No more scrolling through Instagram models before your feet hit the floor. The moment you wake up, you must own the frame. Take 2 minutes to sit in silence, close your eyes, and say out loud, live with honor or die a coward. That phrase is now your personal code of honor. It's not a quote, it's a vow. Say it like a warrior swearing an oath before battle. Let it burn into your soul. Next, move your body. Sprint. Do push-ups. Hang from a bar. Feel your blood flow and get your testosterone pumping. Physical movement in the morning destroys lethargy and reclaims primal energy. Then, Get sunlight. Stand in the sun with your chest out. This is non-negotiable. The sun charges your masculine core and stabilizes your hormones. Follow that with cold water, face wash, or a shower. Cold exposure shocks you out of laziness and snaps your nervous system into battle mode. Now, while your mind is clear, read scripture or pray. This is how you connect to a higher source. Without spiritual connection, retention is just ego. You'll feel prideful, aggressive, unstable. But when you channel your energy into prayer, purpose, and humility, you become unstoppable. Read Psalms. Meditate on God's promises. Ask for strength, not ease. Ask to become a vessel of power, not a prisoner of lust. Throughout your day, the battlefield continues. Temptations will come in waves, and that's why you must avoid certain triggers. Avoid aimless scrolling. Avoid being alone with your phone in the dark. Avoid songs, shows, or influencers that glorify lust. Don't even argue with it. Just walk away. You're not missing out. You're winning a war. And here's the key. Never fight lust head on. Transmute it. When the urge hits, drop to the ground and do 20 push-ups. Go for a walk. Drink a liter of cold water. Call a brother who's on the same path. Do something. Action breaks addiction. But also don't fall into the opposite trap of avoiding everything. You must not avoid life. Talk to real women, but with respect and purpose. Look people in the eye. Take cold showers and go to uncomfortable places. Face rejection. Embrace challenge. Run toward discomfort. Why? Because discomfort sharpens you. And when you're sharp, your retention journey becomes a weapon, not a burden. At night, your discipline must go into lockdown mode. This is where most men lose. So build a sacred nighttime ritual. Set a hard cutoff time for screens. Light a candle, read a physical book, pray again, reflect on your day. Did you live with honor? Or did you let the cowards sneak in? Be honest. If you slipped, don't lie to yourself. Just get up and sharpen your edge again tomorrow. But never go to bed without reclaiming your mind. Your last thoughts before sleep program your dreams, your hormones, your destiny. Now let's talk about the mental game. Semen retention isn't about holding in sperm. It's about holding in potential. Every time you survive another day, your seed becomes stronger. Your eyes become clearer. Your voice becomes deeper. Your presence becomes magnetic. But this power will scare you. People will treat you differently. You'll intimidate weaker men. You'll attract more attention. You'll have dreams that tempt you. This is part of the test. But you must remember who you are. You are not a man who lives for pleasure. You are a man who lives for purpose. Keep a journal. Write out your mission. List the traits of the man you are becoming. Visualize him. Be him. Speak like him. Walk like him. And when it gets dark, and it will, you must remember the code. Live with honor, or die a coward. Let those words echo in your head when temptation hits. Let them burn into your spine when you want to give up. You're not just retaining, you're rising. You're not just surviving, you're becoming. This challenge isn't about semen. It's about becoming the man your younger self needed. It's about standing tall in a weak world and saying, I control me. You were not born to be average. You were born to lead, to conquer, to create. Your seed is sacred. It is the fuel of life. And every day you hold it in with purpose, you become a living weapon. People will feel it. Women will notice it. The world will respect it. Not because you told them, but because you embodied it. So now the question is this. Will you walk the path? Will you hold the line? Will you fight the silent war raging inside of you? Because if you do, everything will change. Not overnight, not without struggle, but slowly, day by day, You will feel your eyes light up. Your goals will sharpen. Your habits will solidify. Your connection to the divine will deepen. And most importantly, you will respect yourself. And that's the greatest reward of all. Not women, not fame, not success, but honor. The quiet, unshakable confidence of knowing you didn't fold when it got hard. You didn't take the easy way out. You didn't die a coward. You lived with honor. And because of that, you earned the right to lead, to speak, to build, to protect, to dominate, and to become the man you were always meant to be. The universe will show you signs, and you will know that it's because you are disciplined and you are retaining your energy that those signs show up. Now go. The 90-day challenge is waiting, and the world is waiting to meet the real you. If you made it until here, leave a crown emoji in the comments. I want to see how many of you reach the end and are truly willing to finish what they start. And remember, live with honor or die a coward. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and stay strong.